Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, we are going to be doing a Get Unready with me, my Pamper Night edition. I have literally been planning this Pamper Night for a little over a week now, and I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to share with you guys what I like to do when I'm showing myself a little extra TLC, along with some of my favorite products to use, as well as my nighttime skincare routine. So I hope you guys are pumped for that. And I will be showcasing a couple of new products in my lineup that I've been testing out the past couple of weeks. They are from the brand Teami Blends, and I'm specifically going to be showcasing their Superfood Cleanser along with their Restorative Clay Facial Mask. I will be going to greater detail on both of these products throughout the video, but I do have a coupon code to save you guys a little bit of coin if you're interested in either of these products. And so you can use code POPE20 for 20% off your minimum purchase of $40. Or you can also use code POPE15 for 15% off your minimum purchase of $29. And I will have both of those codes as well as my link to shop down in the description bar. So yeah, you guys, without further ado, because that bubble bath is literally calling my name, if you would like to know my Pamper Night routine, then let's just go ahead and get started.
Okay, y'all, jumping into this, I'm taking this L'Oreal micellar water that my friend gave me, and I use a micellar water when I have a heavy makeup look on, like today, just to remove the eyeshadow from my eyes and my liquid lipstick from my lips. I think it just kind of makes it where when I go in with my cleansing balm next, it doesn't push the product around. P.S. As you can see, my footage is a little different here because I'm using my GoPro for some of this footage today, so let me know your thoughts and opinions on this. I am still very much learning my GoPro, so I apologize if it's kind of different looking, but hopefully I'll get better at using it. But anyways, now I am going in with my cleansing balm. If you guys have been with me for a minute, you know I love cleansing balms. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take a dime size, pea size, however much you want to take, and you're going to work it in on your dry skin. And then after you've done that for a good minute or so, then you're going to go ahead and wet your hands and then really work the product in a little bit more, and that's going to take off all of your makeup. They are so good. And then from here, I'm actually going to go ahead and draw my bath. I love a good bath, you guys. I take bubble baths all the time, so I light a candle. I'm going in with a Lush bath bomb, and yes, I know it's kind of morbid. I broke the little hippopotamus's head off, but I actually always break my Lush bath bombs because I am going to get more than one use out of them. Period. Your girl is frugal. And then I'm going to go in with some bubble bath. I've talked about Dr. Teal's a lot here on my channel, you guys. I love anything you can get at the Walmart, okay? And so I'm just going to add a little bit of bubbles. I'm going to let that fill up, and then I'm going to soak in the bath for about half an hour to 45 minutes. I'll read a book, watch some YouTube, whatever I feel like doing, but it's just so relaxing. From here, I'm going to hop in the shower. That's right, I'm in the shower, and yes, I am wearing a bathing suit to not make it weird. So when I'm going to pamper myself, the first thing I do, as you can see here, is I go with my shampoo, and I actually add baking soda to my shampoo, and I do one good wash, focusing only on my scalp and my roots, using my mixture of shampoo and baking soda. You guys, unlike any other scalp cleansing product I have tried in the past, this method is foolproof for really breaking down all the gunk on your head. You guys know I use dry shampoo a lot, hairstyling products, anything like that. This is a foolproof method for me. And then after I do that layer, I go in with just another bit of shampoo all by itself and then really give my hair a good scrub. This is the time when my shampoo lathers at its finest because my scalp, I guess, is more squeaky clean, but I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair, and then I am going to do a hair mask. This is the Macadamia Repair Hair Mask. I get it at Marshall's. I'm struggling, but I run it all through the ends of my hair, and then I twist my hair up into a clip and let it do its thing while I'm in the shower. I normally shave, but I had already done that. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Purity Facial Cleanser on my Foreo Luna Mini 2. You guys, I love this Foreo product. I have had it literally since I graduated college when did I graduate college? 2016. And this is the same one. I literally have to charge it like once a year. It's fabulous. And I do a nice good wash to get all of my extra makeup off and everything like that, just to really cleanse my skin. This is a spa in itself. I highly recommend the Luna products if you are looking for a bomb facial cleansing tool. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use my hands to wash the rest of my face, really clean my eyes and get all the makeup off in that area. And then your girl is gonna double cleanse. That's right, we're bougie over here. So this is the Teami Superfood Cleanser. This is made with matcha, turmeric, and sea kelp. First of all, I love the color. It's so fun. I literally take half a pump of this, you guys. You do not need much. And I just work this into my skin for about a minute or so. I really like this product because it is 100% natural. Almost all the ingredients are organic. And it just leaves my skin feeling squeaky clean, but not stripped or dry, because that would be disgusting. And as a bonus, I do not know why, but for me, it kind of smells like maple syrup. So it's a mood and it's a vibe. After this, I am going to go ahead and exfoliate my face. I do this when I'm going to do a spa night, just because I am going to steam my face later, and I like to just go ahead and get off all the dead skin. I use a physical exfoliant probably about 2 times a week. I try to be very gentle with these, but I am trying to use up my product. And yes, you guys, I know, I put on a show in the shower. I don't want to talk about it. And then we're going to exfoliate our body too. That's right, you guys. We're just going to get all the dirty, dead skin off. I always exfoliate my body before I wash it. I don't know why. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but that's just kind of how I do it. This is one from Bath & Body Works that I will go into greater detail in an upcoming product empties, as I'm still really testing out this one in particular. And then, you know, your girl's got to wash her body. Like, hello. That's the whole reason we're in here. And you guys should know that, like, literally showering with your bathing suit on is weird. It's very weird. I was like, please, dear Lord, do not let me have any sort of nip slip. You know what I'm saying? So, gonna wash my body. I literally use Dove soap. I'm basic. And then, you know, your girl has to shave her armpits. Okay, we got dark hair over here. It is what it is, ladies. You get me. Okay, so we're doing all the things that we got to do in here. And then when I'm all done, I go ahead and rinse out the leave-in conditioner from my hair. And girl, it leaves my hair just feeling so soft and so nice. You wouldn't even believe it. And so that's pretty much the end of my shower routine. I am in there a while. It's extensive. Thank God I didn't have to shave tonight, but you guys get it. And then I literally was bugging here because my bathing suit bottoms were filling up with water from standing out of the shower. I had like a bubble butt, but that's for me to know. And then I'm going to hop out the shower. I moisturize my entire body, but you guys don't need to see that. So I'm just going to show you me doing my arms, okay? This is a PG 13-ish channel. And then we're going to take a quick break, and we're going to enjoy the dinner that OTW made. I had him say hi to you guys. That food was bomb. And then I'm going to start doing my little like facial, and TW demanded that he also get one. So, you know, we have to let the boss man go first. So I let him steam his face. I did my toner on him, and then we are also putting the same mask I'm going to use later on him as well. He's so demanding, y'all, but what can I say? I got to get the high maintenance from somewhere. So now that numero uno is taken care of and relaxed, I am going to start steaming my face. This is a nano facial steamer that I got off of Amazon, you guys. It was so cheap. Highly, highly, highly recommend. And I steam my face for anywhere from like 10 to 20 minutes. I just kind of play it by ear, you guys, depending on how I'm feeling sitting underneath the steam, how my skin is feeling. But I think this is such a great way to get a quick facial in at home. And it's so easy because I can literally plug it in anywhere. So I love that. Once I'm done steaming my face, I'm going to take my Ole Henriksen Glow 2O Dark Spot Toner. It's my favorite toner, you guys, and I'm just going to run a layer of this over my skin, get any other remaining makeup, dirt, grime, or anything now that my pores are nice and open, and yeah, tighten that bad boy up. All right, so now we're going to move on to doing our face mask, and this is probably my second favorite part in my Pamper night routine aside from my bath is doing a face mask. You guys, is that color not absolutely stunning? Stop it right now. It's like one of the prettiest face masks that I've literally ever owned. But this is the Teami Restorative Clay Facial Mask. This is made with zinc oxide, kaolin clay, and butterfly pea. And this mask is meant to rejuvenate and restore your skin to its natural balance. I really like this mask because a little bit goes a long way. I use this Sephora facial mask applicator. It's literally like $8 to put on any of my face masks like this. But this face mask feels so good on the skin. Like clay mask, it does start to dry down and get a little tighter feeling on your skin, but I find that it doesn't get too tight or too irritating like some other masks that I have tried in the past. It's very, very gentle. Oh, This is me in the homie showing you that we're wearing our matching face mask. But it's very gentle on the skin. I really like the way it feels. And when I take it off, as you will see here in just a minute or two, after about 10 or 15 minutes, my skin does not feel dry, which I greatly appreciate because I have tried many masks in the past where it leaves my skin feeling a little too stripped, and I have not had this issue with this mask. So I really enjoy using this one. All right, me and the homes are actually taking another small break in this routine, and we are having some hot chocolate. And this is him talking smack to me, saying his hot chocolate is better than mine, which is not true. But anyway, that is what we are doing. And then now it is much closer to me actually going to sleep. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my nighttime skincare routine. Starting off, I am using my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. Literally the best eye cream in my opinion. I absolutely adore this stuff. And if you're wondering what I'm doing right here, me and my bestie are having a very serious conversation about overnight oats. Don't ask. So next I'm going in with this Nature Republic Aqua Water Essence. I love this product, you guys. Oh my gosh, as you can see, I'm literally scraping this particular container dry because I think it is so great. I just go in with a nice light even layer over my whole face before I go in with any of my other skincare products. Tonight, I'm also incorporating this brightening serum, and you guys know I suffer from hyperpigmentation, scarring from acne, things like that, and so I use a little dollop of this. I like to focus this only where I have dark spots, and I just push it into my skin. I do not use this over my entire face as there's no need to. While I let that soak into my skin, I of course brush my teeth. Okay, you guys, don't be disgusting, all right? Brush your teeth, period. And then from there, I go in with this Nature Republic collagen cream. I absolutely love this stuff as well, you guys. It's so nice. My skin loves this. If I don't use this, I totally notice a difference. And I'm pretty generous with this product. I put it all over my face, neck, and chest. Really love this. Last but not least, I also go in with a product for the lips so my lips don't get crusty because that's also gross. And then after that, I always let my hair air dry when I wash it for the most part, but if I get ready to go to bed and some of it's still damp, I will just go ahead and dry the rest of my hair. I cannot sleep with my hair damp at all, you guys. It drives me absolutely mental. But anyways, that is it for this Pamper night routine. I really hope that you guys liked it. Let me know what you like to do when you show yourself a little extra TLC. And because it's literally 11 p.m., your girl is going to go to sleep. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!